So an intro video is a really important part to branding your videos. And I'm going to show you how you can easily do this just using your phone, whether you're on iPhone or Android. So stick around. So what you just saw was my intro video, and it's designed to give you a quick peek into who it is I am, as well as what I do. So if it's your first time here, make sure you hit that little subscribe button down there so you stay up to date with all the videos I put out about getting you making better videos more easily. Now, if you are already creating videos, have you thought about or have you already made an intro video? And if so, how did you do it? I'd love to know, so put that in the comments below before we get started. Now, there's a reason why I like making intro videos on my phone myself, because there are a lot of great apps out there like Videos and Biteable, and they make videos really quickly because they're plug and play templates. But what I find with this is it makes it really generic, and often it doesn't well represent you and your brand. And your viewers keep coming back for more because they're connecting with you, with how it is you do what you do and your style. So you saw my intro video before, and yes, that was entirely created on my phone. Like all my videos, all are filmed and edited on my iPhone. Now this one in particular was created using an app called Quick, and I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. Now just a side note, your intro video should be no more than 10 seconds. If you can get it to be 6 seconds, then that's even better. So all you need to do is download Quick from the App Store or the Play Store, depending on which platform you're on, and let's grab our phones and open up the app. So we've opened up the app, and I have some projects already made, but you may have nothing here. And all you do is hit that plus button in the bottom in the middle to start a new project. Now I'm doing this on my iPhone. Android may look slightly different, but the concept will still be the same. So let's choose the videos that we want to work with. I already know exactly what I want my intro video to look like, so it's just a matter of choosing those clips. So you need to choose them in the order in which you want them to appear, and I'm going to click Add in the top right corner. Now this app does the hard work, and it literally just puts it all together really easily for me. But what it's going to do is it's going to choose the clips that it thinks works best, and that's not how I want the video to look. So first I'm going to choose the format that I want to use, and I believe I used Slice. There we go, forgot which one I used. Okay, so now we've chosen our template. It automatically puts music in it with it. Don't use this music because it's copyrighted. It's only available for use within the app and the app's social media platform. Do not take your video and then put it on Facebook or YouTube. You may get impinged for copyright. So now what we're going to do is put it in the exact order and the exact time that we want. So we've chosen our template, and we go into the little play and squares in the middle there. And this is how we can individually edit clips. So I'm going to click on the first one, and what I want is to trim it. So I slide over until I find trim. These little circles here with the green in it, that's showing me which part it's chosen, it thinks is the best part. But I actually just want from pretty much somewhere about there to somewhere about there maybe. We'll see how that goes. Press OK. Go to the next clip. With pictures you need to set the focus, so I'm going to click the focus option and put it onto my face and the phone. Make sure that that's very clear. Then we'll go to my last video. Again, I just want to trim this because I just want the last end bit of the video from probably about there. Okay, so I've got the clips roughly at the time that I want them to play. The next thing is to add the text that I want. So I had text on this one saying Easy Pro Video Creation. And what this is telling me, the two T's up in the top right, it says that text overlay. It's going to go over that image. If I want it to be a standalone title, then I hit the big T. But I'll just press that there, and we'll go over to this text title here, and I'm started with my name. And we'll press OK. Okay, so then to change the music, because it's going to time it roughly to the music, is to click on the music symbol, little note, and scroll across up the top. So this is all the different copyrighted music you could use, but up the top there's these arrows, and I'm going to go to my music library, and I keep a whole bunch of music in my phone. I'll go to my music, and I'll just choose that one. And here we go, it's now syncing to my music. Okay. So it's coming along. Now all I need to do is I want to change the format to be landscape. So I click on the little spanner and click format and choose cinema. So there we go, that'll change. Change where I want my music to start. If I don't want it to start at the beginning. Change the duration, so it's currently 9 seconds, that's great. The last thing I want to do is I want to add some color into this. So I'm going to go back to the template I chose. And I'm just going to choose, yeah, sure, that coloring. And so you can see it's as simple as that. My video is done. And then all we need to do is, once we're finished with it, we hit save. It's going to give us some options. This is an iPhone. This will look slightly different on an Android, but you want to just find a photo library or a save video option. So I'm going to save this to my photo library. Success, done. Now it's been created and I can come back to it, edit it again, change the style, whatever it is I want. It's saved there. It's also saved into my phone. So there you have it. An app you can use on your phone, any phone, and you can create that intro video in literally minutes. Now I know this is a templated thing. We're choosing the template of, in this case I chose Slice, and there's a whole bunch to choose from, but what I'm doing is I'm manipulating it so that it's actually much more unique to me, using photos and videos of myself to really represent me and my style. So if you like this video, I'd love for you to leave a comment or give a thumbs up, and if you didn't like it, hey, thumbs down, that's cool too. And until next week, happy filming.